Dear son, if you don't make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Let's talk about what your father never said plainly enough. If you don't make your money work for you, you'll work for money. Until your back breaks, your eyes dim, and your dreams die. There's no government bailout coming. No pension fairy tale. No miracle raise that saves your life. You either learn to invest, or you live as a slave to survival. Let's break it down. 1. No one is coming to save you. The government is broke. Social Security is a slow-motion scam. And inflation is a silent thief. They'll tell you to work hard. But they'll never tell you that hard work without ownership is just glorified slavery. You don't get wealthy by working harder. You get wealthy by owning things that work for you. Stocks, bonds, businesses, real estate. That's how rich men stay rich. And why working men die tired. 2. Compound interest is the closest thing to magic you'll ever see. Every dollar you invest early multiplies like time itself. The first 10 years are boring. The next 10 feel impossible. Then one day, you wake up and your money is making more money than you ever did. That's not luck. That's the quiet revenge of discipline. The earlier you start, the less you'll bleed later. 3. It's supposed to hurt in the beginning. When you're young, every investment feels like robbery. You'll think, I could use this money now. And you're right. But that pain, that's the price of freedom. Every man pays a price. You either pay it now with sacrifice, or later with regret. 4. Surround yourself with men who know money. You can't think like a king while talking daily with peasants. Your circle shapes your ceiling. Sit with men who talk numbers, stocks, deals, and dividends. The broke discuss gossip. The wise discuss growth. Find mentors, not mirrors. Friends who stretch your vision, not those who babysit your mediocrity. Your network is your net worth. 5. Wealth isn't about you, it's about legacy. You don't invest just for comfort. You invest for continuity. So your children can start from wisdom, not from scratch. So your last name becomes a key, not a cautionary tale. A man who dies poor didn't just fail himself. He failed his lineage. Build so well that your sons and daughters inherit peace, not panic. 6. Learn to say no to the noise. Not every opportunity is worth your attention. Not every flashy idea, trend, or peer suggestion deserves your money or time. Discipline is born when you ignore the noise around you. Say no to distractions, to unnecessary expenses, to people who don't add value. Every no today is a yes to freedom tomorrow. 7. Start now, not tomorrow. Time is your greatest ally and your fiercest enemy. The sooner you start, the more your money compounds, the more experience you gain, the less you struggle later. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The only moment that matters is now. Take action, no matter how small. Start today, and the future will thank you. Final word, don't just work for money. Make money work for you. Stop chasing jobs that drain you. Start building systems that sustain you. Money is a soldier. Send it to war for you. Because when your hands grow weak, and your back gives out, only your investments will keep fighting. That's not greed. That's wisdom. Dear son, if you don't learn how to make money while you sleep, you'll be working until your body gives up. So wake up, learn, invest, and build a legacy so strong that your bloodline never knows poverty again.